All right, so to add one or multiple custom photo widgets on your MacBook running on the latest macOS 27 Golden Gate, first you gotta open the Photos app. Now we're gonna create an album with all the photos that we're gonna use on your widget. Now select the photo or multiple photos if you want that, and then move them either into an existing album or create a new one. Now I'm gonna just rename the album so I can find it easily later. Now let's get out of the Photos app. And now what I'm going to do is just right click on my Mac and select Edit Widgets. Now from this widgets category, scroll down and just go ahead and add a photo widget. Better if it's not showing any preview right now, because it'll be easier for me to show you. Now, after adding the widget, right click on the widget and select Edit Album. And now what I'm going to do is just click on Choose Album. And after that, you can turn on the Always Display in Full Color option. And lastly, just click Done. It'll start displaying your photos. Now, if it doesn't show them instantly, you can right-click on the widget, choose a smaller size, and then switch it back to the original size. That should refresh the widget and display photos. As you can see, there is a new portrait option available after the 27 update. You can use that as well, and you can repeat the same process to add multiple photos widget, each displaying a different photo album. That's pretty much how you can add custom photos on your photo widget. Thanks for your time.